Hello friends, welcome to Solitaire class. Today we discuss Solitaire sell voucher. In the dashboard section, we will found inventory. In here, sell voucher, click in here. If this is your cash sell voucher, then click in here, add new. In here we found cash, leave as it is. You can write your customer name. You can write also your customer mobile number. In here, you write your product details. I have a TV, so that I will be writing here TV. This product I want to be sell. Okay, this is the MRP of this product. So I want to sell this product 24,000. So that I will write here 24,000. Okay. After that, I will click on the add line button. After add line, you just click in save button. If you want to preview this, then click here print. This is your cash sell voucher. If you want to credit sell voucher, then click on add button. In here, give a creditor name. I have a creditor in Igma, so that I will write down here Igma co-limited. In here, I will be same product I want to be sell. After that, I click in here add line. If I have a secondary product, then I will be 75-inch smart TV black. Then add line. After all this, then click save. In next video, I will be tell about purchase voucher. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.